कहते हैं खुदा ने इस जहां में सभी के लिए किसी ना किसी को है बनाया, हर किसी के लिए तेरा मिलना है उस रब का इशारा, मानो मुझको बनाया तेरे जैसे ही किसी के लिए। कहते हैं खुदा ने इस जहां में सभी के लिए किसी ना किसी को है बनाया, हर किसी के लिए तेरा मिलना है उस रब का इशारा, मानो मुझको बनाया तेरे जैसे ही किसी के।
Sarottam, which means the best. Well, it started a decade ago. One of my friend was in his class and she used to always tease me that, he gave me a smile and he looked at me today, and I used to always feel very jealous of her. It was a Thursday, 15th September 2003.
I can never explain what I hear when you don't say a thing.
He came with few of his friends. He came with one of his friend named Pawan.
Pawan spoke. I think he told Amrita that this guy is interested in me.
And then we went for our first date on the next day, which was at Carter Road, CCD.
The date was I think 16th of September. Yes, and the place was CCD at Carter Road. This is the scene, man. I love you. What do you say about it? And she's like, yeah, I always love you.
It was just that the liking built up and we started liking each other, and we didn't know when we actually were in a serious relationship.
People talking out loud.
I have no other option but to bend down for her.
He wanted to go to London. He flew to London for 2 years. So those 2 years were very difficult for me.
But we used to talk more when I was in London than on the phone.
He used to tell me, I'm missing you, I'm missing you soon.
And the next day I went to Amrita outside of college. I really wanted to do this because I've never ever done a proper surprise for her.
And I turned my back and he was there with a bouquet and I was all zapped. I didn't know what to say.
You'll never leave me. The touch of your hand says you'll catch me wherever I fall.
And she was just shocked for like first 5 seconds.
That was the best surprise in my life that I have got.
When you say nothing at all.
Teddy bear.
He used to always pass by from the palace and the Queen Victoria guard standing there. So he's also sent me one guard for his queen.
It's a Queen's Guard teddy bear.
We are opposites. He is a very calm person by nature.
Oh my god, I can't think of this so much and think of this one word. I would say support. Supportive. Quite supportive.
He just came and told me that, we've been together for so much time right now, and I really love you and I cannot stay without you. I went on to my parents and I told them in the same way he took some initiative from his end, told his parents. We convinced both the parents on both the ends, and yes, getting married.
I'm ready.
I don't want anything much from him. Just keep loving me the way you love me. Be like you are.
So I like to tell us, be the way of you are. I don't want you to change for anyone.
Keep loving me the way you love me. Definitely, I will do in return. Whatever best I can for you. Always, definitely.
I'll always be there with you, whatever happens. The way you been with me, I'll always be with you. The D-Day.
23rd April 2014. The D-Day of our life.
Another week to go. Exactly another week to go. Be there.
Be there.
दिल को ज़ुबां, आँखों को सपने मिल गए, आशिकी में जिंदगी को मायने मिल गए।
क्योंकि तुम ही हो, अब तुम ही हो मेरी आशिकी।